Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the buy it now button in Shopify. So, if your buy it now button isn't working on Shopify, don't worry. In this video I will walk you through the possible causes and step-by-step solutions to fix it. So, why is the buy it now button not working? So this issue usually happens due to first reason, that is theme conflict that prevents the button from working. Second reason could be checkout setting issues that block direct purchases. Third reason could be third-party apps interfering with the checkout process. And fourth reason could be browser cache problems affecting button functionality. Solution 1 is check the theme compatibility. Some Shopify themes may have issues with the buy it now button. In order to solve that problem, simply go to your online store, navigate to themes, then click on the customize button and switch to a default theme like Dawn and test if the button works. So basically you'll have to scroll down and choose a default theme such as Dawn, click on add icon, and after switching to a default theme like Dawn, test if the button starts working or not. Now, if it works in a different theme, your original theme may have a bug that needs fixing. Now, solution 2 is enable dynamic checkout buttons. Go to Shopify admin on this page and navigate to online store, then navigate to themes. Click on the customize button available just right here on your current theme. Now, click the product page and then enable dynamic checkout buttons if they are disabled. So you'll have to click on the buy button here and choose to show dynamic checkout buttons. Make sure this is enabled. Now, solution 3 is disabling conflicting apps. Apps that modify the cart or checkout process may interfere with the button. In order to solve this problem, simply click on your My Store button at the top right of the screen. Now, simply click on settings icon at the bottom left. Now, choose apps and sales channels. Here, if you would have apps installed that would interfere with the checkout, click on three-dotted icon after that app, click on uninstall and click on uninstall again. Now that could also solve your problem. Another way to fix this problem is clearing browser cache and testing in incognito mode. Click on three-dotted icon at the top right, click on settings. Now simply choose privacy search and services, scroll down, click on choose what to clear and choose to delete all these by using all time option. Now click on clear now and that will instantly delete your browser cache and you can easily test your checkout button in incognito mode after this. Now another way to solve this problem is ensuring that the payment method are set up. Go to settings, go to payments and ensure at least one payment method is added on this page. So that is how you fix the buy it now button in Shopify. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.